Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. 60 days online crash course for the upcoming FEB MAT 2024 starts from 8th Jan 2024. Enroll now immediately to join this 60 days online crash course for the FEB MAT 2024. The topics covered under this sections are mathematical skills, data analysis, reasoning ability, verbal ability, and grammar. Join the League of Achievers like MAT 2023 toppers. Boost your score and take the next step towards success at Learn to Lead Academy, where we specialize in creating winners who lead. Don't forget to join our 60 days online crash course. It starts from 8th Jan 2024. Enroll now immediately. The registration link for this 60 days online crash course is provided in the description box. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.